Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will tell you the real names of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma cast. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. I will start from the main leads. Talking about the character of Jethalal, his real name is Dilip Joshi and Dayaben's real name is Disha Vakani. Jethalal's father, that is Champak Lal, and his real name is Amit Bhatt. And talking about the role of Tappu, his real name is Bhavya Gandhi. The role of Tarak Mehta, his real name is Sailesh Lodha. Anjali Tarak Mehta real name is Neha Mehta. Now she is doing this character. This is Sunaina Fauzdar. Bhide real name is Mandar Chanvatkar. Madhvi real name is Sonalika Joshi. Talking about the role of Iyer, it is Tanuj Mahashabde. The real name of Babita Iyer is Munmun Datta. Talking about the role of Sodi, it is Lad Singh Maan. And this is Gurucharan Singh in the character of Sodi. This is Jennifer Mystery Bansiwal. She is doing the character of Mrs. Roshi. She is Dilkhush reporter. She has also done this role. Talking about the new Sodi, his real name is Balwinder Singh Sudi. First Hathi was Kavi Kumar Azad, but now he is no more in this world. So now he is doing this character. His real name is Nirmal Soni. Komal Hathi real name is Ambika Ranjankar. Patrakar Popat Lal real name is Shyam Pathak. She is Priya Ahuja. She is doing the character of Rita Reporter. She is Nidhi Nautiyal. She has also done this character, the role of Rita Reporter, and she has also done this character. This is Mihika Verma. Talking about the current Tappu in the show, his real name is Raj Anatkat. She is Nidhi Bhanushali. She has done the character of Sonu or Sonalika Bhide. She has also done this role. This is Jheel Mehta and she is doing currently the role. This is Palak Sidwani. Talking about the character of Koli, his real name is Kush Shah. The character of Gogi, his real name is Samay Shah. Pinku real name is Azhar Sheikh. Talking about the role of Nattu Kaka, his real name is Ghanshyam Nayak. His real name is Tanmay Vikaria. He has done many roles you can see on the screen. And Bavri real name is Monika Bhadoria. Chalu Pandey real name is Daya Shankar Pandey. The real name of Sundar or Dayaben's brother is Mayur Vakani. Gulabo real name is Simple Call. Talking about him, he is Jatin Bajaj. He portrays the character of Sundar's friend and he is Kanti Joshi. He is also Sundar's friend. Surma Bhai real name is Samrat Soni. Abdul real name is Sharad Sakla. Don Rana real name is Yashpal Sharma. The role of Bulbul was done by Khushbu Tawde. The role of Jethalal's friend, that is Hiralal Javeri, was done by Rajesh Balwani. His real name is Sharad Sharma. He has done many characters. She is Mamta Datta. Talking about the role of Minty or Sapna has been done by Tanya Gupta. The character of Carrie has been done by Kari Irwin. She is Garma Goyal. She has also done many characters you can see on the screen. The role of Advocate Jwala has been done by Hetal Yadav. Baldev Singh real name is Sanjeev Siddharth. The role of Koyal has been done by Asma Siddiqui. The role of Sangram Singh has been done by Raj Premi. Talking about the role of Bhide's Kaka, his real name is Anand Abhyankar. Sophia real name is Nigar Khan. The role of Mr. Sharma has been done by Saurabh Agrawal and the role of Ratnavali has been done by Manisha Yadav. He has also done many roles. His real name is Giriraj Shukla. His real name is Dipesh Bhan and he has done the role of Pyare Mohan. The role of Gotia has been done by Sheh Mirani. Her real name is Atisha Nayak. Now talking about the role of Chandi Ramani, it is done by Raju Kher. The role of Mukti Ma has been done by Sheetal Bedi. The role of Sweetie has been done by Surbhi Channa. Bunty real name is Rudra Soni. The character of Mukti Ma's assistant, that was Subhadra, has been done by Falak Naz. Character of fraudster has been done by Ujjwal Chopra. His real name is Sridhar Vatsar. If you like this video, press the like button, and thank you so much for watching.